Nesimony Memorial Christian College is one of the oldest and topmost institution, which is spread across an area of 32 acres, started in the year 1964, located in the second busiest town in the district of Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. This college has been function and organized by the Church of South India, Kanyakumari Diocese. They have been spending over 2 lakhs rupees per month for their electricity expenses, turning into an annual expense of over 24 lakhs rupees. Also they needed uninterrupted power supply for their server and office computers, and also for their bio-research lab with sensitive equipments. Our Renonex company has got an opportunity to do solar work in the esteemed institution. We have installed solar system in main block and Dennis block. 11 kilowatt ONGRID rooftop solar. We have used 30 polycrystalline panels, Havells inverter, for this 11 kilowatt Kw solar plant in main block. It generates 25 to 30 units per day. .6 kilowatt on-grid rooftop solar. Here we have installed 38 monocrystalline Vikram Solar panel and solar edge inverter. It generates 70 to 80 units per day. This system has optimizer, and it helps to monitor the amount of electricity produced. .2 kilowatt off-grid solar system. For principal office, we have installed 2 kilowatt of Vikram solar panel, consisting of 6 panels, Sukam inverter and exide battery. Next, we have installed 600 watt off-grid solar system in security room. Zunsolar inverter and Zunsolar battery were used. 2 kilowatt off-grid solar system. For zoology lab, we have installed 2 kilowatt solar panel system, consisting of 6 Vikram solar panel, Sukam inverter, and exide battery. The NMCC management now feels happy and satisfied with our service, for reducing the electricity bills, and the institution enters into the government's Go Green policy.